This is our first session. So first of all,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
are introduced.
Yeah, of course. Okay, now I'm going to introduce myself. I am Anil Kumar and I'm from Bihar and I'm a student as well as a teacher. Um,
Okay.
if I, yeah, I run my YouTube channel. Its name is Ligro Spoken English Institute. Okay, I'm also a YouTuber
Okay.
and
And, which subject do you teach?
I teach only English subject.
Okay. Okay. And which class?
Yeah, like any class.
Okay. 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 Nice.
Yes.
Shall I introduce myself?
Yeah, yeah.
My name is Sushma. I'm from Maharashtra in Amravati district. If I talk about my education, I complete my PG, English and Marathi literature also. If I talk about my profession, I'm a photo editor as well as tuition teacher.
Oh,
That's
great.
I have a YouTube channel also. Means this name is English Knowledge by Sushma Jadhav. I upload the videos conversation and I taught on a board grammar and upload as a video. This type of video I upload.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. And when you start means your YouTube channel,
I started, I think, before 3 years.
3 years. Okay, which type of videos are you upload
Yeah,
in your
like
channel?
conversation video and teaching video.
Okay, means grammar.
Yeah, yeah, grammar. Sometimes a spoken video, English spoken video.
Okay, okay, nice.
Yeah,
And you are student also, and you teach as a student. Means this is very nice. Means
yeah,
you
yeah.
are learning also and teach also. This is very nice experience to you. Means when you
Yes,
teach, yes, in a tuition institute, your institute means you
what?
teach in a school or tuition.
In both.
Both. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Means which means CBSE student. Which type of students means government school or
Oh, in private school.
private school? Okay, nice. Means
Yeah.
you have nice experience. Means how to teach to students, how to contact. Means when you teach this time you connect with them in English when you teach.
Yeah, like how they are comfortable. So like sometimes I teach in English and sometimes in Hindi. If they are comfortable in
Yes,
English, then no problem. If they are not comfortable, so that time I have to teach Hindi.
yes, yes. Means they are comfortable in Hindi. This time they are understand also easily.
Yeah, yeah,
When I teach to students in English also and in my mother tongue also, means they don't know how to understand. Means they are CBSE student, but their teacher not communicate with them in English. They are only communicate with in Hindi. They are not every day in talking with them in English. In school
yeah,
also this time many teachers also talking with them in Hindi and our
in
mother
Hindi,
tongue.
yeah,
That's why
yeah, in
they
most of
don't
the
have.
schools.
Yes, yes. And when you start your journey, speaking journey,
Yeah, speaking journey, it has been more than 5 years.
okay, nice.
Yeah. What
And
about
this
your
time
English journey?
means I learned this language before 6 months ago. Means start my speaking journey. Before that,
Oh,
I have knowledge of grammar. But when we connect to another person, this time very different. Means daily communication is very important. I start my speaking journey means 6 months ago. I use Beyonglish app, and this time I use the Fluency app also. That time I don't know how to communicate. That time I was very afraid how to communicate, and another person when speaking fluently, that time I was afraid how I communicate. Only I listen to this person. I think 1 or 2 weeks. After that, I feel confident and connect with them 1.5 hour daily that time. This time also I communicate to a different person 1 hour. Means
Wow, good.
daily communication is very important. Means
Yeah, consider.
yes, people also thought they have a knowledge of they are teacher, but they don't know how to speak fluently. Means we don't have any environment.
Yeah.
Means environment also important for us.
Yes, yes.
They thought he is a teacher, she is a teacher, but they don't know how to speak fluently. They are teaching also on YouTube, but they don't know how to speak. Means they don't have, means they are not doing practice also. Means practice is very important for
Yeah,
us.
practice is important.
Yes. And you upload the, you teach on a board and then upload the videos?
Yeah. Sometimes on board and sometimes conversation video. Yes.
Yes. And how many children do you have in your institute?
Like around 30 or 40.
Okay, nice. And you teach means they are in a different school or in your school student.
I also teach in different coaching and yes,
Okay,
also in another school.
okay, nice.
Yeah.
And do you have any question for me?
Yeah, like you just like people, why do they afraid of English language? Sometimes they think that I'm not able to speak English. How can I learn English?
Yes, yes. This
Is it,
question is very nice.
yeah,
Ask
is it
you.
hard language or easy language?
Means who is beginner, this person is very afraid. Means that time I was also afraid. Means I have knowledge, but I am also afraid. Means they have don't have a knowledge, and they also he is this person also beginner. But when they are, first of all we make the small sentence. Means suppose we are wake up early in the morning. This time we thinking in our mind. Yes, means I wake up early in the morning, then I take a brush, then I take a bath. Means this type of also thinking is very important. Means when we connect, daily communicate, and this time many application also available. Means in
Yeah,
our time. That's why this is very nice. Means we connect also who is want to improve their English, and we are also, I also want to improve my English. This time we are connect in another country also and in our country also. Means this time this when this person is regular, do a practice and listening. Everyone knows also. Means listening, speaking, reading, and writing is very important. But when
yeah,
we communicate, means daily speaking, this time our fluency also nice, and we are not hesitate. But suppose we are daily communicate, and after that we are not communicate 1 month. After that we connect. This time we are hesitate. Means this is not our native language. That's why also. Means we don't
yeah.
have
It
any.
happens.
Our parents, relatives not communicate with us in English. That's why we are. That's why we have an environment. We want to improve our English. We communicate with our students also. This is a nice means opportunity for us. Means we daily
Yes.
communicate. Yes, that's why also I
Yeah.
means last year I taught 2 students in a school also for only for my improving my English.
Wow, good, good.
Not not for a job. I told to principal I want to improve my English. That's why I want to connect to your student. That time I was very afraid. Means this is my first experience to teach in a school. Means when
Yeah,
that time I think 70 student in front of me. Means 7, 8, and 9 class standard. And that time in I'm not taking a lunch also that day. Means when I go went to school, how I communicate, I thought. But when I
Oh.
teaching to the students, that time means remove my hesitation. Means next day, and I taught them 1 month only for improving my English. And